but getting renter's insurance for a property that you rent is super important, not only for the personal property that you have, but also even for liability. And if you are renting a property, whether it's an apartment, condo, or even a house, if you're renting a house from someone, even if it is a family member, you need to make sure that you have renter's insurance for yourself, just in case something would happen to the property and the property would burn up, or you would have something stolen out of that property. You would want to make sure that your stuff is covered, because if you do not have insurance, there's renter's insurance for a place that you're leasing or renting, then there's no coverage under a landlord policy for your items. Now, we've seen a lot of results from different fires and things like that over the past 20 years, to where somebody's renting a home, they don't think it's important to carry renter's insurance, and then they have a fire or a loss, and there's no coverage at all for any of their personal belongings. And that can cause a huge detriment to the family. I know we've talked about it before, but getting renter's insurance for a property that you rent is super important, not only for the personal property that you have, but also even for liability too, just in case there's a fire started while you're cooking, or something of that nature, to where you start a fire and it burns some of the house, or even all the house too. There's personal liability on that renter's policy that can help, if you're found legally liable, to pay for that claim, so you're not totally going to be out of pocket for that, with liens, tax liens, and things of that nature, or even dealing with the court system. So carrying renter's insurance can help not only for the personal property, but also for your liability and your peace of mind as well.